Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up secure folders step by step on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go to settings. Now, once we are in the settings, we should scroll down to security and privacy on the left side. If your phone is unfolded, we want to go to security and privacy. And as you guys can see, there's a lot of settings and you may be wondering where we should go. We should go over into more security settings. From here, we have something called secure folder and we're going to tap on it. Here we scroll down and click on continue. Of course, permissions for secure folder. We're going to click on continue. And here we can add files easily. This is basically telling us what is possible in our secure folder. We can keep our apps secure. As you guys can see, we can hide secure folder for protection. And here we can select the secure folder lock type. So I will use the PIN password. As you guys can see, if you forget the PIN, then you will have to uninstall the entire folder and the entire data from it will be erased. So make sure that you remember. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. As you guys can see, this pin is easy to guess because it has consecutive or repeating numbers. So make sure that you create a normal pin. Do not copy my pin. And here we're going to click on allow, click on next. And here we can close all apps while locked, or we can allow background activity. I would recommend going with a close all apps so you don't drain your battery. And here you have your secure folder. As you guys can see, sometimes there was a time where you also had the screen, so you could just go over here and enter the PIN code. But for now, you have to use the security and privacy. You can also use it from here. And you can get into your folder. Here you have secure folder. Now you can hide it like that. You can also show it, but we're going to go to more security settings. Here we have our secure folder. And now we're going to click on show. We have to enter our PIN and we are in basically. So that's how you guys can easily create your secure folder. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.